One of the biggest pains in modern life is constantly comparing yourself to others. You scroll through social media and see perfect lives. You look at your colleagues and feel behind. You compare your chapter 3 to someone else's chapter 20. This endless comparison steals your peace. It makes you forget your own worth. It blinds you to your unique gifts. But what if you could break free from this trap? What if you could finally accept and celebrate who you are? Listen carefully. This story might change how you see yourself forever. In a small mountain town, there lived a young man named Owen. He was a talented carpenter, but he couldn't stop comparing himself to others. His brother was a doctor. His best friend owned 3 restaurants. Even his younger cousin had gone viral online as an artist. Owen felt like he was falling behind in life's race. One day, while delivering furniture to the local community center, he met Samuel, an old craftsman who taught woodworking to children. Samuel noticed Owen's troubled face.
"You look like someone carrying invisible weight,"
he said.
"I'm just tired of being ordinary,"
Owen admitted.
"while everyone else is extraordinary."
Samuel smiled and led Owen to his workshop. On the table were 5 glasses, all completely different. A tall cylinder, a wide bowl, a square container, a tiny shot glass, an elegant wine glass. "Help me with something," Samuel said. He handed Owen a pitcher of water. "Pour exactly 1 cup of water into each glass." Owen did as asked. The water took the shape of each container, tall and narrow in the cylinder, shallow and wide in the bowl, barely filling the wine glass halfway. "Now," Samuel asked, "which glass is holding the water wrong?" Owen looked confused.
"None of them. They're all holding the same amount, just differently."
"Exactly." Samuel picked up the shot glass, which was now overflowing.
"This glass is small, but it's completely full, fulfilled."
Then he lifted the wine glass, only half full.
"This glass is bigger, but the same water doesn't fill it. Does that make the shot glass better?" "No," Owen said slowly. "They're just different containers."
Samuel nodded.
"You are a container for life. Some people are wine glasses. They need more to feel full. Others are shot glasses. A little fills them completely. Some are wide bowls, some are tall cylinders. But the water, life, happiness, purpose, it's the same for everyone. 1 cup."
He looked Owen in the eyes.
"You're comparing containers, not contentment. You're measuring size, not satisfaction."
Samuel then did something unexpected. He took a marker and drew a line on each glass where the water level was.
"This,"
he said,
"is your fill line. Not the top of the glass, but where your water reaches. Your job isn't to be a bigger glass. It's to recognize when you're full."
Owen stared at the glasses, and suddenly, he understood.
"I've been trying to be a wine glass," he whispered, "when I'm a shot glass. And shot glasses serve a perfect purpose." Samuel smiled. "They give the strongest taste and the smallest sip." That night, Owen went home and looked at his life differently. His small workshop,
his handful of loyal clients, his simple, peaceful routine. He wasn't empty. He was exactly full for his size. Months later, Owen had stopped chasing bigger. Instead, he mastered his craft. His furniture became known throughout the region, not because he compared himself to others, but because he finally understood his own perfect measure. Samuel had taught him the truth.
We're all different glasses, but we all get the same cup of water. Stop asking why you're not a bigger glass. Start asking if you're full, at your own level. You weren't made to hold someone else's life. You were made to hold yours, perfectly. If this story touched your heart, please like and share it with someone who needs to hear it today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay with us. What kind of glass are you? Tell us in the comments. Until next time, honor your own measure, celebrate your own fullness, and keep living at your perfect level.